My name is Bill Kaelin. I work at the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute in Boston. I'm on the faculty at Harvard Medical School, and I'm trained as a physician and a medical oncologist, but some number of years ago I started a research laboratory focused on understanding cancer at a more molecular level. So we study certain genes that have been linked in particular to certain types of hereditary cancers, and we hope through the study of these genes we'll learn not only about hereditary cancer, but as well learn something about the far more common problem of non-hereditary cancer. The Scholar Retreat is a very special program because we're dealing with young scientists who, for the most part, have had a formalized mentoring relationship. They've been working in a laboratory. Frankly, a lot of decisions were happening behind the scenes that maybe they didn't even have to think about. And now, for the first time, they're on their own. They've been kicked out of the nest, and they're starting their own laboratories. And so I think most would agree this is the most vulnerable time in the life of a young scientist. And so the beauty of this forum is we're in a very intimate setting where the young scientists can interact with mentors and get feedback not only on these scientific issues, but also to get career advice in terms of how to really establish themselves as independent investigators who are going to be productive and are going to contribute to our knowledge over time. They do a very good job of identifying topics that are really on the cutting edge. As it turns out, there's no shortage of scientific meetings that one could attend these days. In fact, many scientists complain there are too many scientific meetings. But what this does is, in a very intimate setting, allows one to really look forward. And I think the scientific board is to be commended for having done historically a very good job identifying topics that in some cases are 1, 2, and sometimes even more years ahead of where the field is going. So I think that also obviously adds to the excitement. When you're asked to come to a Forbeck Foundation scientific meeting, you really have the feeling that you're about to see what the future is going to look like, and you know you're going to be able to interact with some of the best minds in the field.